Hey guys, Jim.X here. Welcome to Jim.nextyoutheBest. You the best. And today we're doing unboxing. Alright, the boxing is gonna be the Stone Hs700D drone. Alright, this is what I got in my hand. Guitar pick. About to open this up real quick. Oh, it's already open. This is just unboxing. Alright, so Stone Hs700D. 16 and plus band, 2.4 gigahertz. Oh yeah, unboxing. Oh yeah. All right, let's start it. Taking it out the box. Let's see how that day looks. Oh, that thing's hard. It's hard. Really hard. Oh my god. Got the pamphlet. I ain't supposed to fly it. You guys ready? Let's lay it down. Don't mess anything up. Oh my god, look at it. This is just the controller, I think. Yeah, this is just the controller. Look at it. Oh my god, this thing's so huge. Big ass controller. Oh, watch my language. Big controller. That's how the controller is. This one. Oh, they both feel real. I think this one's the real one though. This one. So you guys see. Oh, these buttons don't do nothing. Okay, you can see that. You can see little buttons right here. GPS on, GPS off. You can see that. Alright. Oh. Put that to the side. Here comes the drone. Oh god damn, man, sure nobody can steal that bit. Ooh. Oh my god. Got the battery charger. Got the battery. Oh, they go to the camera. You gotta put the camera on. That's crazy. Doesn't come with the camera to attach. Gimbals. There goes the drone. The thing we all been waiting for. Oh my god. Look at it. Stone Hs700D. That's how it comes. The wings are not foldable, so it's alright. I'll make it work. Guys, alright, so everything's taking too long, so I'm gonna snap my fingers real quick and everything's about to be put together. Guys, this is how the drone looks after I'm done assembling it, putting it together, putting all the parts on it. Got a little accent though. It's alright. Gotta have to install the camera. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. See how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that, searching for the controller. That's how it looks on the bottom. You gotta lock the camera on. Alright guys, here we are. It's raining outside. As you can see, the rain. It is raining outside. But we're still gonna be able to fly this bitch. Let's do it. This is how the drone looks when you start the propellers up. One key start the propellers, one key take off. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, god damn, look how high it's going already. Move it forward so you can see that. That's the Stone Hs700D drone. Look at it, a bit nice. And we're flying it in the rain right now. Alright, I'm bringing it back because I don't want anything to be messed up. See it right there. Now we're about to land it. Let's try this. Return to home. And now it's returning to home. It's following me right now. It's trying to get accurate location. Let's see, doing this thing. Right now it's the rain, so you guys can see the rain coming. All right, now we're flying in the rain. Real nigga shit, you know how we do it. Flying drones in the rain. That's when I got some footages. I'll show you guys after. Right now it's landing. And the battery's about to die, so that's the only reason we stopped flying it right now. That's when I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the drone camera view, so you guys can have a better look. Crashing my drone right at this part right here. You're gonna be able to see it. Oh my god. Oh no, that boy did that. Thank you for watching though. Like and subscribe. And remember, stay tuned for daily content, and I'm gonna show you guys some more videos. Right now, this is how the neighborhood looks. This is the hood, y'all. Welcome to the hood. Trespassers do get shot. That's on sight. Trust me. This is a dangerous neighborhood. There go my dog Red. Red. You can't hear him barking right now because there's no sound on the drone. But look at that motherfucker. That boy mean. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, the rest of the video. Remember, subscribe, stay tuned for daily content. Jim.nextyoutheBest.